So I'm kind of not able to update videos regularly. I'm not really frequent because of my sickness, and I guess this is how it is going to be like for a couple of months. I won't be able to upload videos as frequent as I want to upload uh, because of the ongoing illness. So I made few notes. This is going to help MDS people also. This is going to help BDS people also. You guys know the pattern. You guys know what kind of questions come in studio test. I'm not going to talk about pattern. I'm not going to talk about how to go for the timing and other things which you are already aware of. So these are the few things. This is like kind of random, but this is going to help both BDS and MDS. Communication, the first thing. Have clear communication. What are you trying to convey? Answer you, like, question yourself whenever you draw something. Before drawing it, what are you trying to communicate? If it is a poster, through poster, what are you trying to communicate? So make those small thumbnail sketches along in this section. Like if you have this whole page, so draw a line and make a small thumbnail sketch over here somewhere, so that when you're drawing, you will have something in your head before going for the final idea. And have some awareness about your areas you're confident about. For example, I was confident about my straight lines, vertical lines and circles, ellipses, my ability to draw sketches using ballpoint only. I never used pencil. Okay. And if you're not confident about something, don't go for it. For example, I wasn't confident about shading, so I didn't go for shading at all. I wasn't confident about real life sketches, so I never tried real life sketches. Only during my practice time, then only I tried real life sketching, but other than that I didn't. My style was product sketching, industrial sketching, and that actually gave me confidence to save time. And so whatever you're drawing, have a good solid reasoning. If they're asking about the reason, like why did you go for it, explain it. If they're not asking, then explain it to yourself first. Why are you making this poster? Why are you going with this particular idea? Skip first 3 ideas. Why I always go with skipping first 3 ideas? Because when masses are going with the same question, the chances are all of them are going to come up with similar ideas. So you have to push yourself and skip first 3 ideas. And also, somebody asked me, how do I come up with different questions or different problems to practice for studio test? It's very basic. You type DIY problems on YouTube, and you will find couple of videos. So I used to get videos on how to make a mobile stand, how to make a stand for your shades, how to use shades as a mobile stand, how to make a furniture, or how to make a DIY cover for a mobile or for your Kindle, how to make a DIY notepad. So these are the things. So I wasn't so focused about the problem, but I was focused about how to use material, and that is more important over here. You have to use, you should have some awareness that how are you going to use the material. So you should have some awareness about wires, thermocol, paper, wood, how to use paper to give it a shape, how to use wood to make some product. So you will find plenty of videos on YouTube. Sketch every day. This is going to save your time. Sketch, find your style. I'm not saying you should go for industrial sketching or product sketching. All I'm saying, find your style. My style was product sketching because it gave me confidence. I was able to save time, you know, through product sketching, industrial sketching. But maybe you have the different style. You are more into, making cartoons, or it looks more artistic rather than, industrial or product. It looks more it looks maybe your style is completely unique. It's your style, there is no name to it, and you're confident about it, so go for it, use their style. Okay. And every day solve problems. Every day you should solve like 3 4 problems. So at one side you are practicing live sketching. You are making stools, you are making products, you are making bottles, phones, clocks, watches, because that is feeding your visual memory. On the other hand, you are practicing problems. Every day you are practicing problems, so do that. Yeah, every day. Yeah. Mistakes, few mistakes I want to mention. You don't have time when you're attempting, when you're going for for studio test. You don't have time. Don't waste your time on sketching only. You are going to you will have to make a product, so don't focus on the final part, uh, how you are going to use that material to come up with the product, rather than focusing on the beginning. Rather than focusing on the beginning, focus on the result. Read question properly. This is the mistake which I keep on repeating again and again. I never read question properly. So read it properly. Have some clearance in your head. This is what they are asking. If you're feeling stuck, don't spend too much time. Come back later. Don't spend too much time on the question. Just a couple of seconds, and if you know you can solve it, go for it. Otherwise, skip it. Also, you have a one task before the jury, thematic reflection presentation, something like that. So choose your strong side. Go with your strong part. All I want to say, use your strengths, understand your weaknesses, and then go for studio test. For me, mathematics was my side. I'm really weak when it comes to maths. I'm really weak when it comes to shading. But when it comes to product sketching, when it comes to industrial sketching, my part is really strong. So understand your strengths and weaknesses, list it down. Try to practice your weaknesses more frequently, but don't focus much in that department. Focus on your stronger side. And time is your asset. Save it. Find a style which can actually save some time for you during the exam. I will try to upload more videos, but yeah, once I'm better, I will do that. Once I'm okay, I will do that. So people who want to go for BDS, be specific while asking questions. Um, because the pattern is kind of different, MDes and BDS, but the questions, they are similar to each other. So be specific whenever you